Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So हम लोग KVS PGT मैथमेटिक्स पेपर डिस्कस कर रहे थे। तो टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन रहेगा फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स पोर्शन, ये मैंने बोला था। और हम लोग ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन नंबर 120 तक सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 120 तक हम लोग सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 121 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 130। ओके, दिस 10 क्वेश्चंस we will solve in today's video. So question number 121 to question number 130, these 10 questions we will solve in today's video. So without delaying we will start immediately, but before that I want to remind you that if you have not watched the previous videos, those videos you can watch just by going to the description box of this video. Okay, in the description box I have given all the links of the previous videos, so from there you can watch them very easily. So okay, let's go to the screen and let's see. This is question number 121. Okay, this is question number 121. This is from vector portion. Okay, this is from vector portion. So what they are asking here, if a, b, c are three unit vectors such that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is what? So this is also a very simple question. So how we will deal with this question? See, the given condition is that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So just write that condition, that a plus b plus c is equal to 0 vector. Okay, and before that, for our simplicity, we will take mod a, modulus of a, that is equal to a, and as they are unit vectors, so a is equal to 1. Okay, mod a is equal to 1, mod b we will take, that is equal to simply b, that is also equal to 1, and mod c is equal to c is equal to 1. Okay, all these conditions, three conditions are given. So now what we will do, we will just make dot product of a plus b plus c dot a plus b plus c. Okay, that will be equal to 0 vector dot 0 vector. Okay, 0 vector dot 0 vector. So now simplify it, just multiply. So if you multiply a dot a, that will become mod a square. Okay, a dot a mod a square. Mod a square means again 1. Okay, so then we will get a dot b plus a dot c, then come to b, here b. So b dot a and a dot b are same. Okay, that remember. Again b dot b means mod b square, that is equal to 1. Okay, then again b dot c, then come to c, then c dot a and a dot c are same, both are same. C dot a plus c dot b and b dot c are same, and c dot c, that is equal to again 1, and that will be equal to 0. Okay, so what we are getting, so 1 here, c 1, here another 1, and here another 1, so total 3 we are getting. And see here, a dot b and b dot a both are same, so 2 into a dot b we can write in place of that. So I will write 2 into a dot b. Again in the same way we can write 2 into b dot c. Again we can write 2 into c dot a, keeping in mind that a dot b is equal to b dot a. Okay, that will be equal to 0. So up to this I think it is clear to everyone. Then I will write it in this way, 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to minus 3, that we can write. So now we have to find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, that will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, that's very simple. So answer is minus 3 by 2. So which option? Now look at the options. So option 3 is the correct answer, is not it? Option 3 is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. Question number 122. The position vector of the point which divides the join of the points 4a plus b and a minus 2b externally in the ratio 2:3. Okay, in the ratio 2:3. So the figure will be like this. Suppose this is the point P and externally in the ratio 2:3. Okay, externally in the ratio 2:3. Okay, in the problem maybe okay, PQ, here say Q, this point is Q and this is the point R. Okay, the position vector of P is 4a plus b. Okay, 4a plus b, and position vector of Q is a minus 2b, a minus 2b. And according to the question, it is given that PQ is divided externally in the ratio 2:3 by the point R. Okay, then we have to find the position vector of R. What is the position vector of R? That we have to find. So we are given that PR is to RQ is equal to 2:3. That is given by the question. Okay, from the question we have this information, and we know one formula, that suppose we have 2 points, say P and Q, P with position vector say A and Q with position vector say B, and they are divided externally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, by the point R. They are divided externally in the ratio m is to n by the point R. That means PR is to RQ is m is to n. Then what will be the position vector of R? Position vector of R will be equal to MB plus minus NA divided by m minus n. Okay, that will be the position vector of R, MB minus NA divided by m minus n. So here the formula we will apply directly here. So what will be the position vector of R? Then they are divided in the ratio 2:3. Okay, 2:3. So we have to write MB, m is to n, that means 2 into a minus 2b. Okay, MB minus NA, n means 3, 3 into a minus 2b, sorry 4a plus b, 4a plus b. Okay, MB minus NA divided by m minus n, m minus n means 2 minus 3. So this is equal to what? Just a little bit simplification, we need 2a minus 12a, that means 12 means 10a minus 10a, we will get minus 10a, and here see minus 4b and minus 3b, so minus 7b, I think minus 4b minus 3b, that means minus 7b, and divided by minus 1. Okay, so what we are getting? 10a plus 7b. Okay, 10a plus 7b. So this is the correct answer. So the position vector of the point which divide the join of points 4a plus b and a minus 2b externally in the ratio 2:3 is 10a plus 7b. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So if you look at the options, option 4 is the correct answer. You will see option 4 is the correct answer. So this was question number 122. Now let's move to the next question, question number 123. So the projection of AB is equal to this, the projection of AB on CD is what? Okay, that is the question. This is also from vector section, okay, from vector section. So the projection of AB on CD. So this also, for this also we have a simple formula. The projection of AB on CD will be AB dot CD divided by mod CD. Okay, that is the formula for projection of AB on CD. Just now put the values and simplify it. So what we will get, AB dot CD. AB dot CD means, okay, let me write one line. AB means I minus 2j plus 4k. This is AB dot CD. CD means minus I plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, divided by modulus of CD. Modulus of CD means root over of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So is it clear up to that? Okay, hope it is clear to everyone. So we will get in the numerator minus 1 minus 4 plus 8, and in the denominator we will get 3. So minus 5 and plus 8 means 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. So it is the projection. So projection of AB on CD will be equal to 1. So now look at the options, which option is correct? So option 2 is correct here. So this was question number 123. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 124. So this problem is also belonging to the vector section. Okay, this problem is also belonging to the vector section. Now here I cross j plus k plus j cross k plus I plus k cross I plus j is equal to what? So we have to find the value of this expression. Okay, so for that, just remember one thing, that whenever you are taking cross products of these unit vectors I, j and k, if you take the cross product of two consecutive unit vectors in anti-clockwise direction, then that will give you the next vector. Okay, for example, if you take I cross j, now we are taking anti-clockwise direction I cross j, so it will give us k. Okay, not I plus j, I cross j. This is I cross j. So I cross j will be equal to k. Now if you take in clockwise direction, suppose I am taking k cross j, k cross j, k cross j, k cross j. Okay, in clockwise direction we are taking, then one minus will come, minus I. Okay, that will give you minus I. Now this trick you remember to do the calculation first. Okay, so we will do the calculation that. Okay, first let me write the expression. What we have to find, I cross j plus k plus j cross k plus I plus k cross I plus j, sorry, I plus j. Okay, so first you do the cross product. I cross j means it will be k, again I cross k, I cross k means it will give us minus j. Okay, I cross k means minus j. Again j cross k, j cross k means I. Again j cross I, j cross I means clockwise direction, so minus k. okay, plus k cross I. K cross I means it will give us j, and plus k cross j. K cross j means it will give us minus I. Now do the calculation. See here, k and minus k will be cancelled, j and minus j will be cancelled, and I minus I will be cancelled. We will get 0 vector. Okay, that is the answer. That is the correct answer, 0 vector. So the value of the given expression will be 0. Okay, so which option? Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 125. If the rth term in the expansion of 2x square minus 1 by x whole to the power 12 is without x, then r is what? So that means basically we have to find the term, or which term is without x or free from x, that we have to find. So we know that the r plus 1th term, tr plus 1, will be equal to 12cr 2x square whole to the power 12 minus r into minus 1 by x whole to the power r. That is the formula for r plus 1th term. Okay. So this will give us actually 12cr into 2 to the power 12 minus r into x to the power 24 minus 2r and minus r. Okay, and 1 minus 1 whole to the power r will be outside. Minus 1 whole to the power r will be outside. So that will give us 12cr 2 to the power 12 minus r into minus 1 whole to the power r into x to the power 24 minus 3r. Okay, so if this term is free from x, that means we have 24 minus 3r is equal to 0. Okay, this will give us r is equal to 8. R is equal to 8. Okay, so which term is free from x? So 8 plus 1th term. Okay, 8 plus 1th term. That means 9th term. 9th term is free from x. That is the answer. Okay, 9th term is free from x. So is it clear to everyone or not? So if you look at the options, you will see option 3 is the correct answer here. So this was question number 125. Now let's see question number 126. So here what they are telling, if the coefficients of r minus 1th, rth and r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus 1 whole to the power n are in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 5, then the value of n is what? Okay, the coefficients of r minus 1th term. So what will be the r minus 1th term? We can write r minus 1th term like this, r minus 2 plus 1. Yes or no? Now this term will be equal to nc r x to the power n minus r plus 2. Okay, this will be r minus 1th term. We have got r minus 1th term. Then come to rth term. Rth term I can write r minus 1 plus 1. Yes or no? That we can write. So this will be equal to nc r minus 1 into x to the power n minus r plus 1. In a very cool mind you have to do. Okay, otherwise you will do miscalculation. So then again r plus 1th term, r plus 1th term we can write, okay, r plus 1 simply. So it will be ncr x to the power n minus r. Now the coefficients of these three terms are in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, that they have given. So that means Okay, first I let me write NCR minus 2 is to NCR minus 1 is to NCR is equal to, that is given 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, try to understand the question first very clearly. Okay, the question should be very clear to you, then only you can find the answer. Now we have to find what? N. We have to find N. Okay, so this is the problem. So now one by one take one ratio we will take first, that NCR minus 2 divided by NCR minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3, that we can take. Yes or no? So from this we will get one equation. So let me write 3 into NCR minus 2, that is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r plus 2 factorial into r minus 2 factorial. Okay, and in this side we will get n factorial divided by n minus r plus 1 factorial, and we will get r minus 1 factorial. Okay, so we will get one equation involving n and r here. So just a and n will be cancelled, simplify it, 3 divided by, now n minus r plus 2 factorial, I can write n minus r plus 2 into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, so n minus r plus 2 into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So this and this will be cancelled then. Again okay, r minus 2 factorial and here r minus 1 factorial. So this r minus 1 factorial I can write r minus 1 into r minus 2 factorial, and this and r minus 2 factorial will be cancelled. So this equation we are getting. So this is giving us 3r minus 3 is equal to n minus r plus 2. Okay, again 3r plus r means 4r minus n and minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is an equation involving r and n. Okay, so one equation we have got. In the similar manner we will get another equation involving r and n, and then we have to solve for n. That is the problem that we are going to do. So calculation anyway you should check. Okay, you should check and you should inform me if I have done any miscalculation, so you should inform me. Now we will take the next ratio in the same way, NCR minus 1 and NCR. This will be equal to 3 is to 5. Okay, NCR minus 1 and NCR. So NCR minus 1 divided by NCR is equal to 3 is to 5. So 3 by 5. This will be 3 by 5. Let me check once again, NCR minus 1, NCR 3 is to 5. Okay. So 3 is to 5. Again we have to calculate in the same way. So 5 into NCR minus 1. So let me write directly, factorial n divided by factorial r minus 1 into n minus r plus 1. Okay, similar calculation we will do. And this side 3 into n factorial divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. So okay, then again 5 into n factorial will be cancelled. So these okay, this side let me write it. Now these are factorial. See, these are factorial, I can write r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, r into r minus 1 factorial. So and r minus 1 factorial will be cancelled. And this side, see, n minus r plus 1 factorial, I can write n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So that and this will be cancelled. So do the calculation, cross multiplication, 5r will be equal to 3n minus 3r plus 3. So 5r plus 3r means 8r minus 3n minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is another equation involving r and n. Okay, one equation previously we have got that 4r minus n minus 5 is equal to 0, and here we have got 8r minus 3n minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we have to solve for n. We have to solve for n. So that means what we will do, we will multiply this equation by 2. Okay, so we will get 8r minus 2n minus 10 is equal to 0, and this equation I will write as it is. So 8r minus 3n minus 3 is equal to 0, and we will subtract these two. So if we subtract, what we will get, r will be cancelled. So n minus 7 will be equal to 0. So n is equal to 7. Okay, so is it clear or not? So n is equal to 7, and we have to find the value of n. So then the value of n is what? So the value of n is 7. So look at the options. Which option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So this was question number 126. Now let's come back to question number 127. The coefficients of x to the power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 2n and 1 plus x whole to the power 2n minus 1 are in the ratio of what? Okay, coefficients of x to the power n. Okay, so for this expansion, what is the r plus 1th term? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr, or n means here 2n, 2ncr into x to the power r. Okay, into x to the power r. So then what is the coefficient of x to the power n in this expansion? Can you tell? If the r plus 1th term is 2ncr x to the power r, then what is the coefficient of x to the power n in this expansion? This is simply 2n cn, r must be equal to n, so 2n cn. So we have got the coefficient of x to the power n in the first expansion. Okay, similarly in the second expansion, let us say t dash of r plus 1, this is the r plus 1th term. So this will be equal to 2n minus 1 c r x to the power r. Okay, x to the power r. So here what will be the coefficient of x to the power n? This will be simply 2n minus 1 c n. Okay, here also r is equal to n. Here also r is equal to n. So these two coefficients we have got, and we have to find the ratio of these two coefficients. So okay, let's find the ratio then. Now 2ncn means what? We can write we can write 2n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial. Okay, the ratio we have to find divided by. So okay, let me write divided by this term, that will give us 2n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, this is the ratio. So this again simplify, 2n factorial I can write 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into again another n factorial, I can write n into n minus 1 factorial, is not it? So into the denominator I am writing n into n minus 1 factorial divided by 2n minus 1 factorial. So now simplify 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial will be cancelled, n factorial into n minus 1 factorial, n factorial into n minus 1 factorial cancelled. So we are getting 2n divided by n, that is equal to 2 by 1, that is the ratio. That means 2 is to 1, it is the ratio. Okay, the problem is very simple. Have you understood the problem or not? Have you understood the problem or not? 2:1 is the correct answer. So if you see the options, you can recognize that option 2 is the correct answer, 2:1. So this was question number 127. Let's come back to the next question. Question number 128. Question number 128. The first and last term of an AP are 1 and 11. Okay. If the sum of the terms is 48, then the number of terms are what? So we know sum of the n terms are n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. So this is given 48. A is the first term and L is the last term. Okay. And n is the number of terms, n by 2 into. So A is given 1 and L is given 11. So this is equal to 48. So this will give us n into 6 is equal to 48. So again n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. So the number of terms are 8. So hope you have understood the solution of this problem. Here I have used one formula of finding the sum of n terms of an AP, that is nothing but n by 2 into which formula we have used? That sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, a is the first term, l is the last term. This formula we have used. Sn is equal to this formula here we have used. So n is equal to 8. So if you look at the options, you will see option 3 is the correct answer for this question. So we have solved question number 128. Now come to question number 129. So if second term of a GP is 2 and the sum of its infinite terms is 8, then the first term is what? Okay, let us consider the GP as AR square dot dot like this. So if the second term of a GP is 2, so the second term AR is equal to 2, this is given, and the sum of its infinite terms is 8. That means sum of its infinite terms, what is the formula? A divided by 1 minus R, that is equal to 8. This is given. So we have to find the first term, that means we have to find the value of A. Okay, we have to find the value of A. So from here what we are getting? R is equal to 2 by A. So just put this value here in this equation. So A is equal to 8 into 1 minus R. So 1 minus 2 by A. So from here we will get A square is equal to 8 into A minus 2. 8 into A minus 2. That will give us okay, that will give us A square minus 8A plus 16 is equal to 0. So this means this is A minus 2 whole square, not A minus 2, A minus 4 whole square, A minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. So that will give us a is equal to 4. That will give us a is equal to 4. So this is the first term. This is the first term of the AP. A is equal to 4. So if you look at the options, you will see option 4 is the correct answer. Yeah, option 4 is the correct answer. So this was question number 129, and now we will solve today's last problem, that is question number 130. Okay, question number 130. So let Sn denote the sum of first n elements of an AP. If S2n is equal to 3 into Sn, then S3n is to Sn is equal to what? Okay, so let us see what are the conditions given. S2n is equal to 3 into Sn, and we have to find S3n is to Sn, that means divided by Sn. This we have to find. Okay, this we have to find. This is given. So from the given condition, what we can write, S2n is equal to 3 into Sn. Okay, S2n, just if I write the formula directly, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula for S2n. Okay, because the formula for Sn we know, that is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the sum of first n terms of an AP, okay, whose first term is a and the common difference is d. So this is that, and then this side 3 into Sn. So 3 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so then we will simplify this to get a relation between a and d. Okay, a and d, we have to get some relation between a and d. So here see 2 will be cancelled, and n both sides will be cancelled. So then what we will get, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d will be equal to 3 by 2 3 by 2, that means, okay, let me write first and let me see what we are getting. 3 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this we are getting and this side whatever we have to find, that also we will do simultaneously, then it will help us. So S3n means 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is S3n, and Sn means n by 2 n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So anyway, n by 2 will be cancelled, and this will give us 3 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this quantity we have to find. So this quantity, how we can find from this? Okay, let's do some further simplification in this side. So 2a this will become 4a plus this will become 4n minus 2 into d. This is equal to 6a plus 3n minus 3 into d. Okay, so 4a, so okay, 6a minus 4a, that is equal to 2a. So this side I will write 2a, and this side I will write 4n minus 2 minus 3n plus 3 into d. So this can we write or not? This we can write. So 4n minus 3n, that is equal to n plus 1 into d is equal to 2a. So 2a, the value of 2a is n plus 1 into d. So this value we will put there and we will see what we are getting. Here see, the quantity we have to find 3 into, now the value of 2a is n plus 1 into d. Okay, so here let me write n plus 1 into d and plus 3n minus 1 into d divided by, again 2a, value of 2a is n plus 1 into d plus n minus 1 into d. Now d will be cancelled anyway, so this will be give us n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus n minus 1. Okay, so 3 into, now see 1 will be cancelled, so we will get 4n, and here also denominator also 1 will be cancelled, we will get 2n. So n will be cancelled, 2. So what I have told you, that here n will be cancelled and 2, 4, so 3, 2, 6. So 6 is to 1. Okay, the answer will be 6 is to 1. Yes, 3n is to, so the ratio will be S3n is to Sn will be 6 is to 1. Okay, S3n is to Sn will be 6 is to 1. So now look at the options. Which option? Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer for this question. So this was question number 130. Okay, now still we have 50 more questions remaining. Okay, question number already I have told that total 100 questions will be there from mathematics, that is from question number 81 to question number 180. Okay, so up to 130 we have solved, and the next questions also we will solve one by one in the next videos. Okay, so anyway, Again I am telling that if you are new to my channel, so you must subscribe this channel to get these types of videos, and don't forget to like and share these videos with your known ones. These videos are not only helpful for KVS exam, but also those whoever are preparing for any kind of TGT or PGT exams in mathematics. These videos will be helpful for them too. Okay, so you should share these videos as much as possible. So okay, uh, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.